Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark we are making some statement jewelry using good felt and cup chain from John Bead. And we're putting it all together with E6000 Plus, which is my favorite no odor jewelry glue. I love this stuff. It is super strong and it works perfectly on projects like this. Thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hey. Are you ready? Let's make some statement jewelry. Felting has been around since the Neolithic period, and samples of felting date back to the Bronze and Iron Ages. Felted creations were used to keep people warm and dry during a time when knitting wasn't yet invented. Earrings originated in ancient Asia and have remained popular for more than 7,000 years. Egyptians would once wear earrings to signify wealth or higher class. However, in ancient Rome, earrings were worn only by slaves, and in ancient Greece, by prostitutes. I'm going to leave a link for John Bead and E6000 and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling because it's all about jewelry. And I'll see you next week. Bye.